Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flaps on a 2020 Ford Explorer. These flaps are made of a heavy-duty premium rubber, offering a durable and sleek fit for your vehicle. And the best part, they're made right here in Canada. Let's get started. To start, remove the two factory nuts located on the underside of the fender as shown. Next, remove the nylon push pin located on the inside of the fender as shown. Then pull the liner away from the fender. With the liner pulled back, install a U-clip onto the fender body tab as shown. Then reinstall the liner. Once the liner is back in place, reinstall the far factory nut on the underside of the fender. Then install the supplied bracket using the remaining factory nut as shown. With everything now prepared, we will begin installing our mud flap. Use a supplied machine screw and washer to attach your flap to the bracket as shown. And then secure it in place using a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Next, use a supplied screw and black washer to temporarily secure the next position on the flap as shown. With the flap now on the vehicle, take a Sharpie or paint pen and mark the position of the flap's bottom and topmost hole on the fender. Then, temporarily detach the mud flap and place two U-clips onto the marked fender liner as shown. Once in place, reattach the flap using the supplied screws and washers. When securing the second hole of the flap, first insert a nylon spacer between the flap and liner. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.